Hey everybody, hope you're having a beautiful day. We're reviewing this 3-setting shower head from Amazon. I want to show you some things I like about it. One, it is a simple shower head, but there's one thing that sets it apart. I'm going to show you right now. All right, before I actually turn it on and show you how much pressure this has, we have a low pressure house, so this is an awesome cost-effective shower head to replace it with. It has this nice, beautiful kind of ivory kind of a look to it. And here are all the sprayers here. So a little bit larger than the standard ones that come with your shower. But this right here is the switch. It's uncomplicated. So you just snap it up. It's kind of like a bike gear shifter here. You just switch between the different settings, which I think is absolutely awesome. So let's turn it on, show you how it works. Super easy to put on. Came with some Teflon tape, 2 gaskets with the strainer filter on it. Just tighten it right on there. It's good to go. So we turn it on right now. It's on the misting session. So you just click it and it switches in between the 3 different settings. There's the standard one. Has a really good pressure on it. Just an all-around awesome shower head. Hope you found this review helpful and have yourself a fantastic day.